Hi guys, come with me. So I grabbed the $15 Darling Deep Wave Wraparound Pony Hair Extension from Target. Let me show you the DIY steps I took to rock this in my date night glam. From the comfort of my home, just me, you, and a touch of sparkle. First, I'm blowing out my hair because we're going big with this ponytail. Then simulating the position of my ponytail and working my hair in sections. Using my gel and claw brush to slick the back section upward. Now sectioning the part I want to braid to add some spice to my ponytail. Applying edge control around the perimeter of the section of the braid, quickly braiding the section in 1 minute. Apply gel on both sides, brush and secure the midpoint. Ooh, look at how sleek the base is. Next, I'm braiding and securing my natural hair. This serves as the base for the wraparound ponytail. Love the curls, look how soft and smooth it feels. Peep how free my fingers are running between the strands. It comes with a comb for extra grip. Also, it has an extra piece of hair to wrap around the base of the ponytail. I'm attaching the comb to the base of my braided hair and then take the straight extra piece of hair to wrap around the base of the ponytail. I love how it looks already. If you are not into volume, a single pack does the job perfectly. I love me some volume, so I'm going to add an extra pack of ponytail to this look. Using the comb, I'm going ahead to attach the second ponytail to the base, then wrap the 2 extra straight pieces to the base of my ponytail, taking each piece round one at a time. Sticking my edges to my desired pattern because why not? Boom! Look at that volume. I love how the extra ponytail switched up my look. Pick the hair movement, guys. Let's accessorize a little, shall we? And voila! Twin mom turned date night diva ready to hit the town. Remember, you don't need a ton of time or money to look and feel fabulous. Until next time, bye!